Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel where we help you create the outdoor space of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your backyard and thought, I wish there was a way to make this beautiful without all the constant work? Well, today we're diving into a topic that's all about beauty, style, and surprisingly very little fuss: backyard gravel gardens. So what exactly is a backyard gravel garden? Simply put, it's a type of garden where gravel, crushed stone, or pebbles are used as the primary ground cover instead of traditional mulch or grass. This design is not only visually striking but also incredibly practical, making it a favorite for modern, minimalist, and water-wise landscapes. It's about creating a stunning and functional space that highlights plants, decor, and unique textures. Now you might be asking, what's the big deal with gravel? The benefits are truly fantastic. First off, they are incredibly low maintenance. Gravel helps suppress weeds, reduces the need for constant watering by retaining moisture in the soil, and doesn't need to be replaced as often as traditional mulch. This means less time pulling weeds and more time enjoying your beautiful space. Another huge plus is water conservation. Gravel gardens are perfect for dry climates or for anyone looking to be more eco-friendly, as they often feature drought-tolerant plants that thrive with minimal water. They also provide excellent drainage, which is crucial for preventing root rot and soil erosion. Plus, the gravel itself comes in a wide variety of colors and sizes, allowing for endless design possibilities to perfectly match your home's aesthetic. Decorating your backyard gravel garden to look beautiful is all about combining textures and elements. Think of your garden as a blank canvas. Start by defining your space with edging materials like metal, wood, or stone to create clean, crisp lines. This will immediately elevate the look. Next, introduce some hardscape elements. A rustic bench, a modern fire pit, or even large, strategically placed boulders can add visual interest and create a sense of structure. Don't be afraid to mix different sizes and colors of gravel for a dynamic effect. You can also incorporate stepping stones or pavers to create a functional pathway. When it comes to plants, choose a mix of heights, colors, and textures. Combining low-lying ground covers with taller ornamental grasses and sculptural shrubs will create depth and a layered, professional look. And finally, add a personal touch with decorative items like a bird bath, a fountain, or some unique outdoor lighting to make your space truly one of a kind. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 backyard gravel garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the playful and structured border. This design uses gravel to create a dynamic, curving border between the lawn and a garden bed. The path is a mix of different colored stones, adding visual interest. Perfectly manicured spherical shrubs line the edge, creating a whimsical yet structured look that is both easy to maintain and incredibly charming. 2. The European-inspired courtyard. This beautiful garden uses gravel to create a charming and elegant outdoor living space. A dining set is placed on a paved area, which is surrounded by a gravel path that meanders through the garden. The gravel is light-colored, reflecting sunlight and brightening the space, while tall, slender trees and a mix of soft, flowering plants create a romantic, secluded feel. 3. The minimalist sanctuary. This idea features a simple, modern pergola resting on a raised platform, with a gravel pathway leading up to it. The combination of clean lines, a simple bench, and the contrasting textures of the gravel and the stepping stones creates a serene, zen-like atmosphere. The surrounding lawn and sparse plantings keep the focus on the architectural elements and the tranquil simplicity of the space. 4. The classic courtyard with a modern twist. This idea uses a light-colored gravel to define a central courtyard area. Surrounded by a variety of plants and a lush hedge, the gravel serves as a clean, maintenance-free base. A large spherical water feature acts as a focal point, its smooth surface and gentle sounds adding a calming element. Paved stones create a seamless transition from the gravel to other parts of the yard, tying the entire space together. 5. The serene white gravel oasis. This design features a sweeping bed of bright white gravel that beautifully contrasts with the lush green lawn. The clean, curving lines create a sense of flow and tranquility. Low-lying shrubs and small trees are planted within the gravel, their varying shades of green and red adding pops of color and texture. A rustic stone bench provides a quiet spot for reflection, making this a perfect retreat. 6. The sweeping path and raised beds. Here, a light-colored gravel path creates a wide, inviting walkway that curves around a perfectly manicured lawn. The path is bordered by raised beds, which make planting and maintenance a breeze. This design provides excellent flow and separation between different garden areas, and the gravel's light tone makes the entire space feel open and bright. 7. The Bohemian Patio Hideaway. Perfect for a small urban space, this design uses gravel as a base for a cozy patio area. A simple wooden border contains the light-colored gravel, creating a clean platform for outdoor furniture. Vibrant, colorful plants like the show-stopping pink bougainvillea provide a dramatic backdrop, while large green pots and small sculptural elements add to the eclectic, relaxed vibe. 8. The Grand Gravel Pathway. Gravel isn't just for garden beds. It's a fantastic choice for pathways. This grand, winding path of multicolored gravel guides the eye through a vibrant, lush garden. The path is bordered by a mix of diverse plants, from flowering perennials to ornamental grasses, creating a rich tapestry of textures and colors. A large central planter acts as a focal point, drawing you into the heart of the garden. 9. The Rustic Fire Pit Gathering Space. This design showcases how gravel can create a warm and inviting social hub. A circular gravel patio, edged with natural stones, surrounds a central fire pit. The gravel provides a stable and fire-safe surface. Adirondack chairs are arranged for a cozy, conversational setting, while a backdrop of lush hedges and small trees provides privacy and a feeling of being nestled in nature. 10. The Geometric Gravel Patio. This final idea showcases a geometric, multi-level design. A square gravel patio is the centerpiece, enclosed by a low, light-colored wall. A water feature provides a serene focal point, and the space is surrounded by a rich mix of plants. Different textures and patterns in the surrounding stone pavers and gravel create a sophisticated and modern look. Choosing the right species is key to ensuring your garden thrives with minimal water and care. Now let's explore some of the best plants for backyard gravel gardens, focusing on hardy, drought-tolerant varieties that will add color, texture, and life to your rocky oasis. First, ornamental grasses. Plants like fountain grass, blue fescue, and mullygrass add movement, texture, and a soft, natural feel. Second, drought-tolerant perennials. Lavender, sage, coneflower, echinacea, and sedum are hardy choices that thrive in rocky conditions and provide beautiful blooms. Third, succulents and cacti. For a desert-inspired look, varieties like hens and chicks, stonecrop, and various cacti are perfect and require very little water. Fourth, low-growing ground covers. Creeping thyme and ice plant can fill in spaces between gravel and stepping stones, adding a touch of green and suppressing weeds. Fifth, shrubs. Dwarf Japanese maples, boxwood, and juniper provide structure and evergreen interest, perfect for year-round beauty. And there you have it. 10 incredible backyard gravel garden ideas that prove you don't have to sacrifice style for a low-maintenance, beautiful yard. Whether you're looking for a serene retreat, a social gathering space, or a structured, modern landscape, a gravel garden can be the perfect solution. I hope this video has sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to start your own gravel garden project. Remember, the best garden is one that brings you joy, and with a gravel garden, you can spend more time enjoying it and less time working on it. The possibilities are truly endless, so grab your design hat and start creating your dream outdoor space. If you enjoyed this video and found these ideas helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and practical tips. And we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below which gravel garden idea was your favorite, or if you have a gravel garden of your own. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!